Riker, if you had 1 30-second or less tip for sales, what is it? Oh man, prospecting. If you had 1 30-second or less tip for sales, like in 30 seconds, deliver it.
Like kind of like one quick tip, I guess.
One quick tip is prospecting. 3 different levels. People that you know, go after them first. People that your people know, go after them second. And then cold calls the last one. It's my 30-second tip. You better be going to your phone. I've got a whole contact list of people that I know that know me, trust me. And what's the last thing? They like me too. So now I'm going to go after these people, the people that I know first, right?
My one is more sales specific thing that I like doing is making sure that you're breaking down the service the best as possible, right? So there's a difference between me saying, hey, we're going to seal your driveway, it's $250, versus saying, hey, what we're going to do is we're going to clean this entire surface off. We're going to make sure that all the edges are cleaned up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that there's no overspray on your interlock. We take our time with it. I'm not sure if you had a second to check out our Google reviews. We have over 100 5-star Google reviews on there. The next thing we're going to do once the surface is fully prepared, we're going to melt down rubber bricks. We're going to fill those, fix your cracks up properly with commercial grade products on a residential driveway if you're doing residential. After that, we're going to apply a nice thick coat of sealant, whatever seal you're using, and then we're going to tape it off, make your driveway look good as new again. It's going to be very beautiful, right? That is a lot more value in it. You're breaking down the service. You're building that value in what you're breaking down versus reseal your driveway, right? So the more that you can get them, show the value in the service and break it down step by step, have them following along with you, nodding their head yes, and understanding what's going to happen, you'll have a lot higher closing rate, and you'll also be able to get those higher prices. Whenever it comes to sales, always be trying to raise your prices and deliver. If you're delivering, once someone's agreed to the price, they're not going to complain if you do the job right? So it doesn't make a difference if you're going to do a job cheap. If you do the job shitty and you do it cheap, they're going to complain. But if they already agree to the price, if it's $500 for a single car driveway and you do a good job and you do what you're supposed to do, they're not going to complain. If you do that same single car for $40 and try to cut a corner, you're going to get a complaint. That's the facts. That is a fact. You do not win by cutting your price. I learned that. It's true.